Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mandarin Chinese easy, and follow me. I will teach you how to speak Chinese. And today, yes, let's going to learn some daily phrases in Chinese. Now follow me. I had great fun. 我玩得很开心。我玩得很开心。She's my best friend. 她是我最好的朋友。她是我最好的朋友。最好的 best 最好的。You look handsome. You look handsome. 你看上去帅呆了。你看上去帅呆了。I am satisfied with your job. 我对你的工作很满意。我对你的工作很满意。满意。满意。Satisfied. I'll be right back. 我马上回来。我马上回来。I will learn from you. 我要向你学习。我要向你学习。When will you be back? 你什么时候回来？你什么时候回来？ What did you do before? 你以前做什么工作？你以前做什么工作？ Could you tell me what's the meaning of this? 你能告诉我这是什么意思吗？你能告诉我这是什么意思吗？ Is meaning is. Can we be friends? 我们可以成为朋友吗？我们可以成为朋友吗？ I really want to travel to China. 我很想去中国旅游。我很想去中国旅游。旅游 travel. Okay, everybody, this is today's lesson. Now, we're going to practice this conversation and follow me, so repeat after me.
我玩得很开心。我玩得很开心。他是我最好的朋友。他是我最好的朋友。你看上去帅呆了。你看上去帅呆了。我对你的工作很满意。我对你的工作很满意。我马上回来。我马上回来。我要向你学习。我要向你学习。你什么时候回来？你什么时候回来？你以前做什么工作？你以前做什么工作？你能告诉我这是什么意思吗？你能告诉我这是什么意思吗？我们可以成为朋友吗？我们可以成为朋友吗？我很想去中国旅游。我很想去中国旅游。
Okay, everybody, this is today's lesson. Now follow me. I will teach you how to speak Chinese in the very easiest and fastest way. You'll find it's really easy to learn Chinese. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.